Alright friends, so remember last time we talked about counting counting by tens all the way up to 100. So today we're going to keep practicing counting to 100 by tens. So instead of going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all the way up to 100, we count in groups of tens like 10, 20, 30. It'll make it go by much faster. And remember when we counted the number of fingers that our friends were holding up? Well, we're going to go back over that again. But today, we already know that each of them have 10 fingers that they're holding up. So we're just going to, real quick, count how many fingers there are by 10. So, and I'll write it down at the bottom with us. So let's start with me. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. There are 100 fingers being shown in this picture because each picture has 10 fingers. So we just counted all the way up to 10, or all the way up to 100. So with that, let's look at the page that we did yesterday. Okay, friends, so this is the page that we did together yesterday, and we found out that there were 10 marbles in each group, or each circle. So let's go ahead and count how many marbles there are. So we're going to count by 10 because we know that each circle has 10 marbles in it. So I'll write down the numbers right next to it, and so let's count together. So I want you guys to count with me. Ready? So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. There, you guys counted all the way up to 100 using tens, just like you just did with the picture. Okay, now let's look at page 141 in your math book. Let's look at this picture. What do you notice and what do you wonder? Think to yourself. What questions do you have? What do you see? All right. So I see that each basket of food and each flower pot has a certain number of objects in it. I wonder how many objects they have. Let's count. So let's see. Let's look at the limes right here. So they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 limes in that basket. I think there are 10 things of food in each basket. What do you guys think? They're all the same number. They each have 2 different rows of 5. They look a lot like our 10 frames. Yeah, I think there are 10 in each. All right, let's see how many things of lettuce there are right here. Let's count together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 things of lettuce. All right. What about flowers? I wonder how many flowers are in each pot. Let's count. Ready? Let's count right here. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 flowers in each pot. Okay, that's going to make our job so much easier. So, can you guys think of a way to describe the groups that you see? Think of a way you can describe them. Maybe what color they are, what fruit or vegetable they are. What do you guys think? I see 3 baskets of red food. I see 3 baskets of red food. So here's 1 basket, 2 basket, 3 baskets. I see 3 baskets of red food. Now I'm wondering, there are 10 in each basket. So how many are there when I circle all 3 baskets? How much food did I just circle? What can help me? If there are 10 in each, what can I count by? 10. I can count by 10. So let's try. So here's 10, then 20, then 30. In this circled group, the big circle where I circled all 3 baskets, there are 30 items of food. There are 30 things of food. Altogether, there are apples and tomatoes and peppers, and there's 30 in all. How many apples are there? 10 apples. How many tomatoes are there? 10 tomatoes. How many peppers are there? 10 peppers. So 10 and 10 and 10, so 3 groups of 10, gives us 30 things of food. Thank you guys for counting with me and figuring that out with me. All right, let's look. What other things could you ask? What other questions could you ask? Maybe you could ask, how many peppers are there? Because I see red peppers, and I see orange peppers, and I see yellow peppers, and I see green peppers. So here's red, and then we have orange, yellow, and green peppers all circled right there. How many peppers are in each basket? There are 10 red peppers, 10 orange peppers, 10 yellow peppers, and 10 green peppers. How many peppers are there in all? What do you guys think? There are 4 groups of 10. How many total peppers are there? Let's count. So there's 10, and then there's 20, and then there's 30, and then there's 40. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 10, and that gave me 40 total peppers. So all of these peppers are 40 peppers. All right. I want you guys to pause this, and I want you guys to circle and think of some other ways you can count to 10 in this picture. Maybe you could count how many total flowers there are, or maybe how many green food there is. How much green food is there? Maybe you could count how many apples there are, how many total apples. You could count how many total fruit there are. Yeah. So I want you guys to pause this video, and I want you guys to do that. Think of how much in those groups. Count by 10. All right, now we're going to cut here, and let's see. Okay, and then now we're going to go ahead and go back. All right, friends, so now that you've shown all of these groups that you found of 10, you guys can send in pictures that you guys of your hard work that you did to Miss Myers or Miss Egbert so we can all see. All right, so now we're going to move on. And I was thinking, so this is a shop, right? So this is like a farmer's market or like in the grocery store at Kroger. And I want to buy something. I'm at the shop and I want to buy something. But I only want 20 peppers. We know that there are 40 peppers. Remember, all of these baskets, there are 40 total peppers. But I only want 20. How many baskets of peppers am I going to buy? So I know that there are 10 peppers here And then if I circled another basket of peppers, how many peppers am I going to have? If I circle 2 baskets of peppers, I have 10, 20. There, I have my 20 peppers. What if I knew that I wanted a basket of green peppers and I wanted a basket of orange peppers? Do I still get 20 peppers? If I have 2 baskets with 10 peppers in each basket, do I still get 20 peppers? Yeah, let's count and double check. Ready? So here's my 10 peppers, and then I have 20 peppers. I still get 20. As long as I have 2 groups of 10 in each, I still get 20. It's crazy how that works. All right. Now, what if I only want 40 flowers? How many baskets of flowers am I going to circle? Let's count. Let's count until I get to 40. So I have 10 flowers, 20 flowers, 30 flowers, 40 flowers. Do I keep going? No, I got my 40 flowers. So let's look. How many baskets of flowers do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 groups of flowers, 4 baskets of flowers, and that gave me 40 flowers in all because there are 10 flowers in each basket. What if I circled, so I know that I need 4 baskets of flowers. What if I circled this one and this one? Oh, these ones look good too. And this one. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Do I still have 40 flowers? Let's double check. So I know that in each basket I have 10. So I'm going to count. Ready? So I have 10, 20, 30, 40. So does it matter which basket I pick? No, as long as each basket has 10 flowers, then I know that if I circle 4 baskets, I'm going to get my 40 flowers that I want. All right. You guys worked really hard today. I'm so proud of you for counting all the way up to 100 with me twice. And we looked at the supermarket and we counted so much fruit, so much food, and so many flowers. You guys worked really hard. Give yourselves a big pat on the back, and I will see you for your next workbook page. Bye.